Hi everybody. This I'm going to solve the Rubik's cube. So this one is 2 by 2, and you know that none of them have their own color. So the first of all, we need to resolve the bottom layer. So this one you need to do the intersection 3 times, which called the algorithm 1. So it's R, U, R dash, U dash is algorithm 1, and then I will do 2 more times. And this one, if need to do the algorithm 1 2 times. For this one, same. After this, the bottom layer has finished, and this one is we need to do the recover the top layer. So to recover the top layer, that has 2 algorithms, algorithm 2 and algorithm 3. The reverse one of algorithm 2 is algorithm 3 is R, U, R dash, U, R, U, 2, and then R dash. So finally, we need to resolve the surface is just resolved, and we need to resolve the whole top layer. So this algorithm 4 is R dash U, L, U dash U2, R, U dash R dash U2, L, and R. And finally, the L 2 by 2 cube, Rubik's cube is solved.